Umsning MLA Dr. Celestine Lingdor, along with PWD officials, inspected the approach road in Saiden village for a blacktopping project. The Rs 2.65 crore project aims to improve infrastructure ahead of the Saiden Presbyterian Church's Silver Jubilee in February 2025. Lingdor highlighted the road's long-term benefits for residents' daily commutes. He said, the road upgrade is not just for the Silver Jubilee celebrations, but will significantly enhance the daily travel experience for residents who rely on it. He further informed that the Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Tinsong, has assured timely commencement of the construction work.
Jong kesurok, bat ka resurfacing, bat ki bentai bahable thumai ka total length kan poi 100 kilometer. Tika estimate amount ka ba lapen kre na ka benta ka ne ka long kumba arklur nrupusan lak. Na ka daw ba ka jingiseng ka lalong hatpin. Ti haswa ba ki work order kini kita ikin mi la ai bor ban sedang no ya kene ka jingtre. Na ka 100 kilometer ka ba mga ngaong ka benta ka badon kam kerki na ka benta ka ne ka jingiseng. And sa shim shwa, let's say ar kilometer tam. But baro kata kas total 100 kilometer and pendep watla kut ka jingiseng ru ka jingtre kan beteng ban pendep ya kata ka basa.
The fifth